Everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to finish off the look of my Dracaena silk plant and the planter that I have it in. And I found this perfect adjustable plant stand that I feel like blends perfectly with the style of what I'm looking for. I feel like it gives it kind of a mid-century slash modern vibe. Now this is made with a really sturdy, durable, but lightweight bamboo. And it is kind of finished off with a varnish. So if you did want to put a live plant in your pot, it's going to keep it waterproof. So I have my silk plant in mind. So it's super simple to assemble. When you get it in the mail, it comes in two pieces. You just slide it together and then it adjusts. So it goes from 8 inches to 12 inches size pot. So you just slide it right in there and then you adjust it to the size that you need. Perfect. Look at there. And then you put your plant in there. Looks good. So I feel like it's a total game changer. I think it's beautiful. This one is a walnut finish, and they also have black and natural that you can choose as well. I love it. I think it looks great. It gives a real stylish look to it, kind of a trendy look. I love it.